this brightness. Okay, I want to meet up with my elder sister that is based here in Lagos. I have an appointment with her. I can't be in Lagos and not see family. I'm already done with my skin prep, which is my moisturizer and my vitamin C serum. I'm just going to apply this MAC Prep Plus Prime setting spray. I'll just spray this all over my face. Next, I'm moving on to my Hydro Grip Milk Primer. Just a little amount, little go a long way. Next, I want to use this, my MAC Concealer Palette and Corrector. I love this palette a lot. It has your contour shade, your concealer for highlight, and it has a corrector. Now I'm going to use an orange corrector mixed with this concealer to just correct this spot I have here before applying my foundation. I'm just using an orange corrector to correct the areas that have some black spots before going into my foundation. So I'm done using this orange shades of corrector, color corrector, to correct the black spot I have on these areas. And then I'll be moving on to MAC Prolong Wear Foundation in the shade NW45. I already soaked my beauty sponge on a water, so it's damp. Do not use a dry beauty sponge to apply foundation. Always use a wet, damp beauty sponge to apply your foundation. So like I said, I'm using this foundation NW45 from the MAC Cosmetics. Just a little go a long way. Like I said, this makeup is going to be very fast, nothing serious. I'm going to meet my sister. A date with my sister, and as a makeup artist I need to slay. You see that the areas that I applied the color corrector on is now covered and properly blend with my skin. So that's it. When blending your foundation, go from one side before moving to the other side. It's as if there's no foundation set on this beauty sponge. Little go a long way, okay? Especially if your skin is already, see what I have on. This is what I have on. I like to start from the center of my face and then move to the outer corner of my face. Little go a long way. See the areas that have foundation, see the areas that do not have foundation. Is there much difference? No. Foundation is something that you want to build. You don't just want to pack all of it into your face. Okay. Moving on to the forehead areas. We're good to go. I just need to apply an highlight, a little concealer to pop my face, my skin. And we're done. I am done. Nothing like natural lashes. So says this thing just obstructs my way. I'm done with my foundation, applying my foundation. I just want to use this Elegant concealer. Few areas that I want to highlight. Those are the areas I just want to highlight. And this Elegant concealer is in the shade Fawn. See, I just blended into my skin. This Lagos, I go waka waka. I say I can't rest. I don't already. Anyway, I already slept for 3 days without going anywhere. So for these remaining days, I'll just visit family. Yeah, we're gonna pop. Man, highlight is always a game changer. See now. And then let me advise you, if you will be using Elegant concealer, because it always has a lot of water in it. So if you want to use Elegant concealer, make sure that you apply a little pump at the back of your hand 5 minutes before using it. In that way, hair will go into it and it will not be too liquid on your face. Beg, this thing don't wish. Properly blended. Yes, we're good to go. See, highlights. This is why I love highlights. Just take a look at this part of my face and this part of my face. Highlights have a way of just bringing out your facial structure. Okay, so I'm just going to set my under eyes using the newyear setting powder. Just want to press that in. And you know what, I'm going to just apply this all over my face. This is going to just be my face powder. When going out, if you use a setting powder to apply on your face, if you apply a setting powder all around your face, it mattifies it and allow your makeup to last for a longer time. Okay. When going out, I try to avoid using too much compact powder, which is pressed powder. I like to use a setting powder, and a setting powder you just apply on the entire areas of your face. So guys, I forgot to carry my spoolie brush, my mascara wand brush, so I'm just using my hands to arrange my brows. Man, how did I forget this? I don't know. Anyway, let's just draw the brows. And for my brows, by now you know I don't. For my brows, I actually don't do much. I forgot my mascara wand brush. I forgot my brush for my brows. So let's just manage what I have here with me. I have a brow pencil. I'm just going to follow through my hair, my brow hair. Follow it through and then come down. We are done. This way with me. I want to do this brow. How did I forget to carry mascara wand brush? Eh? Oh well, I'll do this one now. Which kind of pack I pack? So I can't brush my brow hair. Huh. Guys, people will just manage this video. It's obvious that till I leave this place, I'm not going to do any makeup tutorials. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how they try small. No bad. Bad. And I like blending the beginning part of my brows first because I want it to look a bit natural. So I'm just blending that part first before proceeding inside, like before going to the outer corner of my brows. And as you can see, I'm just dabbing this in. I'm not rubbing off, I'm just pressing it to sit on my skin carefully. I'm done with my brows. I'm just going in with that same setting powder that I use in setting my under eyes and my entire face to just apply under my brows. You know, after you apply concealer, you're supposed to set it off with a powder. Okay, so my sister just arrived this hotel now. My younger sister. My husband is bringing her in. I just got a call from my husband that my younger sister is here at the hotel. She just came to meet me, so the two of us will go visit my elder sister. I think they are here already. Yeah. I just judge you.
Hey! Sorry, sexy. Walking off. Oh, say no, walking this man. No. That's not my love.
This one for
who's sexy for you?
for herself.
This is problem.
That's why when you see some women outside, when they find for outside, they will say the husband they enjoy. They don't know say maybe not suffer the husband.
Nah, you know they suffer you there.
No, keep my in-law, I beg. Hi.
Please meet my younger sister. Say hi to my fans.
Hi.
Subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to Mom's Ate channels.
Yeah, see ya.
Cause baby, you deserve